Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Alright, so in this video, it's pretty much a sequel of the video that I did, and I'll go ahead and post that in the top right there. Go ahead and check that video out. So essentially, just finished installing the front track bar from Thurin. I did ask Chris, their helpline, do I need to get another alignment after I install my front track bar? He said no, all I'm gonna have to do is just adjust the steering wheel based off of the drag links. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. Here's the baseline. So the wheels are straight, my steering wheel is not. Alright, and so just so you all know, I just finished doing the front track bar. I have the 2-inch Thurin leveling coil kit, overland shocks, and I just installed the King 2.0 steering damper. So I got that going for me, but what I need to do is actually get this and center it. So essentially what I'm going to do is probably ask my wife to give me a helping hand. I'm going to turn it on in the bottom, and it'll make sense once I get down there. Pretty much twist it clockwise, and once she says it's pretty much center, I'll go ahead and tighten it back up. That's pretty much what the service is. So let's go ahead and get onto the truck, have the wife come up here, help me out, and take care of the service real quick. Alright guys, so as you can see, here's the drag link going across from the truck. Here's the front differential. Right now I have an adjustable wrench. This is a fairly large one. Let me go ahead and remove this. It's a 12-inch just adjustable wrench, something I can use to actually throw on and secure the center portion. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that there. No, I'm not. And right now all I'm using is one of these. It's large enough to essentially loosen up these nuts. Alright, and these nuts are actually tightening the drag link, and this is what we need to essentially adjust our steering wheel. So I went ahead, loosened this one up. So this is actually turn it clockwise to loosen it, and I believe this one is the exact same. So let me go ahead, and I need this wrench. We need to loosen up both of these nuts. There we go. Alright, let me see if this also, no, I think this is clockwise as well. So let me try and adjust this real quick. Alright, this is going full retard on me. So I got a rubber mallet. Let's see if this works. There we go. Alright, so it is counterclockwise. Over here to loosen this one, you need to go clockwise. But for the one on the right, this nut, what you need to do is actually go counterclockwise. And there we go. So make sure these are loose just a little bit. Alright, right there. And so what we're going to essentially do, ouch, is go ahead and ask the wife to get up in the driver's seat. I'm going to go ahead and twist this towards the rear of the truck and see if that centers the steering wheel. Once the steering wheel is centered, go ahead and tighten up these nuts and you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and move into that. Alright guys, so I got the bride up in the driver's seat. She already knows what we got to do, so essentially let's go ahead and get to turning. So both of the nuts are loose. I'm going to turn it towards the rear of the truck. Do I need to turn it the opposite way or no? Alright, so it looks like I'm headed towards the right direction. The steering wheel is offset right, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So what it's actually doing is pulling it left. So go ahead and let me know when it's entirely straight. Right there. Alright, let me go check out and see if I like the steering wheel. If so, I'm going to go ahead and lock up the nuts. If not, probably twist it a little more. Alright, so I'm going to twist it just a little bit more to pretty much give myself a little more leeway for the crown and the road. Right there. Alright, so I like the look of the steering wheel. It's a little bit to the left, but that's where I want it because of the crown and the road. So, next step, tighten up the nuts. Make sure that this drag link does not move from its current position, and you should be good to go. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back and I'll show you the steering wheel. Alright guys, so I went ahead and tightened up both of those nuts. I secured the drag link, and steering wheel still looks pretty good. So essentially it's set up a little bit left to account for the crown and the road, and that's essentially it. If you wanted a dead center, that's all you had to do is just stop once it's dead center, tighten up the 2 nuts and of the drag link, and you are good to go. So essentially this is how it looks. Remember previously the way it looked was like way over here. This is really all you have to do to adjust your steering wheel, especially since you just got an alignment. Maybe they forgot to do it, or you got to do it every once in a while. This is essentially the process to do it. All right guys, so I hope everything made sense. Before you watch another video, go ahead and check out this one right here of mine. I think you'll like it. If you have any questions or comments, also go ahead and let me know in the comment box below. Check out the description, and until next time, ciao.
Perfect.